How to change password on Instagram on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change password on Instagram from your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram on your web browser. And after you do that, make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, head over to your account here. Then there you'll find the settings option. Tap on that. After you tap on that, there you'll find a lot of different options. Head over to settings and privacy. After you're on the settings and privacy here, you'll find many options here. What you can do is tap on this Meta's account center. After you tap on that, what you'll need to do is simply choose your Instagram page here or head over to password and security right here. Then there you'll see the change password option. Tap on that. Now choose your account right here. Then type in your current password, your new password, and after you retype the new password, tap on change password. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.